I hope you like my previous videos. In the last video, I showed you how I coded this Telegram MT4 EA, Telegram MT5 EA. It made things very easy for me. You know, I can open trades on 510 MT4, MT5 accounts. Just one small signal on Telegram, and then they reach me and messages me that trade has been open or there's an error in booking that trade. I was thinking, why don't I use Python now? Because Python is a very powerful language, and if I can bring in Python somehow, away then we can use artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning stuff as well. There are many challenges because once you trade with, let's say, 10 brokers with the same signal, so some brokers, all these brokers have slight variations in their prices. Secondly, most of these broker times are a little bit different, maybe 1 hour difference, 2 hour difference. So we have to solve this problem. So I just started this project. By the way, I want to tell you this thing that I am not a professional programmer. I'm just amateur programmer, and I do this thing. I learned programming. If you watch my previous videos also on my own, and just to do hobby projects. But these hobby projects have helped me a lot. So this is the Django model. Django is a Python web framework, very popular. Instagram is made in Django. They're all the other apart from Instagram. Pinterest is also made in Django, and Quora is made in Django, and Spotify is made in Django. There are many big websites that made in Django, but you can well imagine if Instagram is made in Django, that means that it's a really powerful web framework. So I made this model, the signal receive fields, that thing, and then I serialized it. Your Django REST framework gives you all the opportunity to do these things. Uh, and then I created the views, I created the URLs. I'm running this local server on my computer. So let's let me show you this. This is the signal. That signal that I want MT4 platform to read. So this is that admin interface. These are the three signals, the test signals that I've entered. These are signals by limit pound dollar 240 means H4 first bar, offset is 0, the magic number is 3, risk is 2, life and up. And that is that I programmed for Telegram made my life very easy because I don't have to calculate any lot size. and stuff like that. We have to put the stop loss. Just give the risk level 2%, 1%, 3%. I don't take more than 3% only. I don't take more than 3% risk. So this is the project that I'm working. Either side hustle. Well, my main job is trading, and I most of the week I'm busy in looking at the charts and trading. So it can take me let's say 2 months also. I'm stuck up over here. Web request, once I make web request from MT4, it gives an error, invalid. I made this work for Telegram, and I Googled a lot, and somehow there was an EA already that had implemented this web request for Telegram. So I took help from that, to tell you the truth. But here I have Googled a lot, but there's not much help. But I'm sure I'll be able to solve this problem. I have installed Wireshark packet analysis on software on my computer, and also Postman, and I checked it, and I think there's some problem with the request headers. This is the script that I'm going to test it. Request headers accepted. These all things are very sensitive to even one full stop comma. There's some mistake going on over there. So I will solve this problem, and I'll then explain the whole project to you. And I hope you like it, because I plan to make a 3 or more videos on this project. My aim is to use Django and make a signal dashboard, and 100, maybe 200 MT4, MT5 accounts can be connected with Django, and Django will monitor each account and tell me whether the trades are being entered correctly, not correctly, and whether there is a problem in the execution of the signals. So, but I'm stuck over here, this web request. Because if this web request is as long as it doesn't work, I cannot connect with MT4, and this web request is same for MT5 also. But I hope I will solve this problem in the next 2, 3 weeks, and with that I can develop that Django backend, and then after that I plan to use the React to the front end. And with the easily from the mobile, you can enter that signals, and you can monitor each account. In a way, I have not monitored the accounts. If we just Django will monitor the accounts right now. Telegram does not give us this facility, but once I succeed on Django, I will have this. I hope you like this video. And if you have some solution to how to connect this back request, uh, please leave your comments, because I am also checking this Telegram. It is already available on the internet, so I copied it and it made things very easy. So, but I am not able to do it on my own. Maybe I'm not a very good programmer. So I hope you like this video.